Baker mini electric chainsaw. It comes in a carrying case. Inside the carrying case, you have your instructions, eye protection, and it tells you everything that you need to do for the chainsaw. Be sure to read the directions. What is included is the chainsaw. It has the blade, one is already on it, the chain. Then you have two 6-inch mini chains. So you have two spares. You have gloves. You have safety glasses. You also have a 20-volt max ion battery. You get two of those. And it also comes with a charger for you to charge up your batteries. So be sure to make sure you have your batteries fully charged. Make sure you read all of your directions. For the price of this mini chainsaw, you get all of these items in this sturdy carrying case. This is perfect for limbs out in your yard. I'm looking forward to using it. It's currently charging. As soon as I'm done charging it, go outside with it and give it a try. It's absolutely the perfect little gift for someone to work out in the yard. Give it a try.